Namaskar. I would like to invite you to an offline gathering, getting together for collective meditation. When we practice alone, we create spiritual flow, the flow of peace and joy. But to reach that flow, we must achieve the concentrated state of the mind. And it is very often, especially for the beginners, that through our own effort we are not able to cross that ocean of restlessness and to achieve that pinnacle state of concentration. So for that, we practice collective meditation. When 5 people get together, or the more the better, the spiritual flow in meditation becomes so very strong that it removes all the obstacles from the path of the progress. So it is very, very important to practice collective meditation. It is said to be one of the most powerful spiritual practices. I would like to introduce you to my dear friend. We work together in Russia, in China, in Taiwan. His name is Dada Dipti Manananda. He is a very poetic, artistic person, extremely educated, very, very sweet musician, and good dear friend of mine. And I'm so happy that he can guide you and introduce you to the spiritual path, to the spiritual practices, introduce you to the collective meditation. So we are going to have 2 programs. One is in the Botanical Garden in San Francisco. We just get together and we sit there for 3 hours, and Dada is going to introduce practice of meditation. We will sing mantra together, and then we meditate, and then just get to know each other. And after 2 weeks, in the town of Los Altos Hills, we are going to have a retreat program for maybe 20 to 30 people, not so many, because it is our first event in USA like this, and we are just making a trial. This retreat program is very special. When we live in a strict routine, practicing meditation 5 times a day, doing asanas 2 times a day, physical exercises of yoga, doing yoga dances, and learning many things through lectures and spiritual talks, within 3 days there is a very deep transformation occurring in ourselves. I just have completed, just now, I'm visiting the country of Azerbaijan, and we have completed a retreat program. 100 people participated, and it is all the same, always the same thing. People come, we all happy to see each other, but the flow is not yet there. After the first day of practice, something is like the atmosphere is getting warmer, there is a feeling, there is vibration there. And after 2 days it becomes stronger. And on the 3rd day, people start to cry because they feel something within, something divine, something deeper, peaceful, blissful. My spiritual master has said that this authentic yogic sadhana is so profound and powerful that one needs only 3 days for a complete transformation of self. It's very interesting, and I have checked it many times. During 3 days, a complete transformation occurs in the body and the mind of the practitioner. And from a normal person, from a very mundane person, you transform yourself in a very saintly person. You enjoy the divine peace and joy and bliss. So with the warmth and tenderness and love of my heart, I cordially invite you to attend this event. And perhaps it will be a really significant point in your life. certainly it is going to be a very positive moment in your lives. Thank you very much. You can check, you can get all the information in our Facebook page. Just follow the link below this video. And then I wish you best of adventure on your sadhana journey. Thank you. Namaskar.